Okay, so I'm calling the shot for myself. Three, two, one, and action. Okay, my name is Gideon. I run a media company that's called Smith's Diary, and what I do mostly is documentaries. I do documentaries for real estate companies. I do for NGOs. I do documentaries, basically events, everything literally you need to film and video. I do feature films as well. But one of the things I love doing the most is real estate documentaries, and of course jingles and all of that. So this is something I really give time. This is something I really take my time to do. You know why? The detail about how you started off from foundation level and how you finished up. You need to put it together, and of course, you need to know, okay, how did I get from here to here, from here to here? And a lot of people don't get to document these things, and they just let it slide. Let me not go too far. I actually want to talk about aerial shots. Anybody can fly a drone. Anybody can actually fly a drone, and so that is why anybody can buy a drone and just get in and I just feel like I want to fly a drone. But there are specific shots you can actually take with drones. Now, talking about drones, I love DJI drones, and I have a reason for that. Everybody have their brands, but I think, to me, there are two drones in the world, two brands of drones in the world, basically DJI and others. So I do DJI a lot. My very first ever drone, which I still have the pack right here. This is a Mini 2 DJI Fly More Combo. As you can see, Fly More Combo DJI. This is it. So, and if I'm thinking of any other drone, I'm talking about DJI Pro and the Airs and the rest of them. They are really, really nice, cute stuff you can buy. And you can equally get this one. This is a Mini 3. This is DJI Mini 3. One of the sweet things to note about this drone is that it has a smart controller. Now with this, if you are having a multi-camera shot and you are actually covering an event or maybe a football match in a field or anything, you're using a switcher, a video mixer, as some other people might call it, you can actually connect this thing to your switcher and you can mix it into the videos or clips you're taking in the event that you're doing and all of that. So it has a smart controller. You don't need a screen, you don't need a tablet, you don't need a phone to attach to this to be able to take shots with it. This is one great thing about this drone. Let me just turn it on so you can see it. DJI, of course, you can see that, right? So this is a brand I recommend. And one other thing about this thing is I love the way it moves. I love the sleek way it moves. I love the cinematic feel of the shots. When it comes to anything aerial shots, I recommend this. I recommend DJI. I'm not saying it's just only Mini 3. I recommend DJI drones. Mini 3 is an amazing drone to buy. It's a pocket friendly, if you might say so, and it's equally sweet to use. You understand? So this is great. I think I should just put in my next video, I will put in some of the videos that I use this beauty here to capture. Once again, this is Smith's Diary. Follow me on this series, and I'm going to show you some sweet gadgets you can actually buy from DJI, or also some new gadgets that are coming out from DJI that you need to buy, including the DJI lapel mic, which is one of the best in the market right now. And the good thing about this is it's not too expensive. It's not cheap, but it's not expensive. It's pocket friendly. It's something you can actually get and use and deliver some amazing work to your clients.